Hey everybody, today I have another lockpicking video. So I'll just jump right in. This is a Zimmcor lock. It's not, I don't think it's a very well known brand. And I'm just going to be using my DeForest diamond or offset diamond, whatever. Just jump right into this. Sorry, hold up, you guys are a little close, so drag it back, lift that up, and then zoom in. There we go. This lock is loaded with security pins too. There's 3 spools, one serrated, and then a serrated spool thing that I made. Sorry, it's a bit of a pain in the ass to get. Some might switch over to my Gonzo in a second if I don't get it. This one's not set. Yeah, I'm just gonna switch over to my Gonzo. And last pin. Oh, what the hell? There. There you go. Picked open for you. See that? So, I got it for you. Since it's flathead, as you guys can see there, I'm just going to use my DeForest tip to unscrew it. There we go. I'm just going to do it enough so that way I can just put my finger on it and then turn it without slipping. And there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's that. All standard key pins. You guys can see that. All standard. I'll start pulling out drivers. There, driver number 1 is a spool. Oh, you know what? Hold up. Sorry, I had a little snag with the plug follower. It's not too great, as you can obviously tell. There. I just lost the second pin. Sorry. This might take a while, so I'll put an annotation to how far to skip ahead if I actually find it, because if I don't, I'm just going to restart the video. Ah, shit. I fucking love when this happens. Oh shit. These are all my tension wrenches. Anyway, that second pin was serrated. Guess I probably won't be able to show you that anymore. Sure. Hold on then. Oh wait, I think I got it. No, it's like a weak serrated spool from my old master lock. Let's go get another driver. Found 3 of my old picks too. Master driver, there it is. So there, new driver. There you go. So pretend that one's a serrated pin, even though it isn't. That thing took me like an hour and a half to make. Fucking bitch. There we go. Okay. Number 3. Spool. Serrated spool. Can't even see it. There we go. Spool. So 5-pin lock. Sorry, hold up. Should all be security pins, but not anymore. I have a lock in here somewhere that has. There. Oh shit. Oh. It's in here somewhere. It just has the spool pin in it. I'll just take one of that. If I can find the damn thing. Jesus, it's freaking sneaky. That it? Yep, here it is. As you can see, it's just a practice lock I made for my friend, but you can see how much play it has because it only has one spool in it, so it can turn a lot. Hey, my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.